no change in ultrasounds now for 2, and he's fit enough to jump, and I'm hoping that's I was really hoping to start it in Florida, but I did make him a little sore.
Okay.
But he's still, but we were early on the recovery side. And so now I'm like sort of where he's supposed to be time frame wise, but still looking good. He's like a different freaking horse after the surgery.
Don't open him up. Stay in your rhythm.
Like evil eye.
Yeah. Next one right there.
Yeah, he's always a little bit annoyed riding him. You know, when I had him, like mechanics, it's great. Like he
Good.
feels. I feel bad. The poor bastard was kind of hurt the whole time I was riding him. But shows he's got heart.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gave Finn back because I can't keep him still.
Because you can't do what you want to do.
No, not.
The coop!
He was jumping so well in Florida. I was psyched. And I started doing some gallops because I was thinking I'd take him to Rocking Horse and then try to like maybe move him up to prelim at GMHA. So I started galloping a little bit. And within a week of starting to gallop, like 2 went off.
Good. Okay, Mel.
Because if you can't gallop, you can't.
And if you can't correct him the way you want, then let them deal with it.
So Meg